that's what they make. They run cause I'm next. You so into night, so lately she just got you stressed. She got no finesse, she just get undressed. Yeah, put the honey in the
My channel is KiloKi here, and I'm back with another video. So in today's video, we are going to be dyeing this wig that I made. We are going to be dyeing it dark ash blonde and ash blonde. It's just going to be an ash blonde tutorial. Let's say that it's going to be an ash blonde tutorial. I honestly liked how it came out. I think it was different. I think it's cute, and you know, we're gonna go with this. So all I'm doing right now is I'm separating the sections of my hair. Don't mind that black piece of thread there, but I'm just sectioning my frontal into two pieces, and then when I get to the back, I'm separating the middle piece. And then once I set up the middle piece, I will then start to work the solution into the back of the hair. Now today I'm using the Revlon Color Silk. The first color that I'm using is going to be the medium blonde. I believe that is the dark ash blonde. And I'm pouring the cream developer in first. And then I have another box of the Revlon Color Silk. This is the second one. This is in ultra light ash blonde. They didn't have a medium ash blonde in Dollar General, so I just got what they had. So this is the toner from the Revlon Color Silk ultra light blonde and dark ash blonde, and I am mixing the two together. I'm pouring the toner in there together, or the dye. And then I am stirring it very, very good. Make sure those tones get nice and mixed together. And then you will see that I will be starting to apply the solution to the hair. So I really have no method of how I applied this. I kind of started at the beginning. I started at the ends because I don't necessarily think the roots are that important because nobody's gonna see them. So I started at the ends, and then halfway through the video I started to start in the middle of the piece that I've put out. It really doesn't make a difference. It's all up to you. I just put the solution everywhere. Now in the back of the wig is lighter than the top portion because I have that ultra light ash blonde instead of that medium ash blonde in the back. So I kind of have a dark frontal with lighter bundles, and I think it's cute. Like, it's different. So, you know, trial and error here, guys. But if you wanted to make your hair like the way I have my wig, then yes, I had the ultra light ash blonde and the dark ash blonde, and I mixed them two, and they got to the color that I got. And I really am happy about the way it came out. Like, I really do. I really loved it. This was my first time doing something like this, not dyeing hair, but like, using blonde hair to put on my head. Like like that's different for me. So I really liked how it came out. And so now that I'm done with the back, I'm just doing the middle piece. Like I said, I started at the ends, and then halfway through the video I started in the middle, because the solution is going to touch the hair. It is, because it's very thick and it's liquid, so it's going to get the hair. You don't have to worry about that. Now I did use 4 boxes, so make sure you guys get 4 boxes of solution, because you are going to need it, especially if you have a frontal. Okay, so make sure you get 4 boxes. Now alternative, you can get a medium and a dark ash blonde. 2 boxes of medium ash blonde, 2 boxes of dark ash blonde, and you are good to go. Okay, so again, I'm just putting that solution all through the hair, and as you can see, the bottom portion is starting to process a little bit, and as you can see throughout the video, it's going to start looking gray and things like that. That's how you know it is processing. So I'm gonna just go ahead and be quiet and show you guys the rest of the video. So now we are at the frontal portion. So I'm going to take the Revlon Color Silk again in the dark ash brown, and I am pouring that cream developer back into my bowl. And then I am going to take the medium ash blonde, and I'm going to pour that cream developer in my bowl. It's in the toners, the 2 toners in my bowl. Now I used a different dark ash blonde. I used the L'Oreal dark ash blonde. Same thing, same difference, but definitely if you want to use just one product family, Revlon Color Silk medium ash blonde, dark ash blonde. So now I'm focusing this solution on the roots, because this is the frontal. They're going to see the frontal. So you're going to make sure you're going to coat everything on the frontal. You're going to make sure you get the roots really good, because you don't want to have any blonde areas in your frontal. That's just not cute, sis, and we're not going outside like that. But I am just applying that solution all over the frontal, and it did not stain my lace, because I didn't put anything on my lace to protect it, but it didn't stain the lace, so that is good. So again, get those roots, girl, get those roots, and make sure you coat the frontal evenly, because that's what people are going to see, and we don't want to look a mess. Okay.
Oh, this bitch gonna be a slap.
So we are majorly done with the frontal. I'm just going back in certain places and filling everything in. And yeah, I'm just making sure every piece of hair is coated. We don't want to leave no piece behind. No piece behind, ladies. So we have let our solution sit on the hair for 25 minutes. Now I'm going to take my shimmer light, so you can take your purple shampoo to neutralize the blonde in this hair color. And we're just going to shampoo that out. And of course you're going to use conditioner. Conditioner did come in the dye solution pack, so you can use that too. So I'm going to use my Tresemme Keratin and Smooth Serum. I'm going to apply that to the hair. Then I'm going to blow dry the hair off camera. And this is what the hair looks like when it is blow dried. I really love how it came out. It's still not dry in certain places, so I'm just going to let it air dry overnight. And of course, you guys know this is a part of our series, so I will be styling this hair in part 3. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Make sure you stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this series. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on those post notification buttons so you can be notified of the 3rd part of the series and any other new content uploads that I have for my channel. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. I really do appreciate it. And I will see you lovely ladies and gents and everyone else in the next video. Mwah.
Oh, this bitch gonna be a slap.